Hey, so here is my remote control. I used to drive my remote control car. I used to be really into driving remote control cars before my accident, but then after I got hurt, I couldn't do that anymore because you needed hands to work the remote. So what I did is I had the idea of using an aircraft remote because you can bundle both throttle and steering into one joystick. So I went to our local hobby town and they actually figured out they 3D printed like a mouthpiece for me to use, so now I'm able to drive my car using my mouth. You can cut the recording.